This has been the 6th day of Tagboan Festival, and I think this is actually the 2nd year of Tagboan, and like what I've said earlier, mas pinalaki at mas pinasaya.
Listen, this what we've been waiting for, right? When there's nothing left, it's never alright. Even in the darkest of times, I'ma shed some more light. Tell me really what's a day when I've been fighting all my life. Every minute of every day, every hour, hope and hunger. No wonder the underdog will never in the belly of the beast, but I never let them devour. See, we made it through the storm, but go ahead, let it shower like this may not mean much to you, but see, it's real to us. Trying to reverse the curse and rebuild the trust. Wounds will never heal to the touch like you hope they will. Especially when I got all this weight on my shoulders still. But see where we from, it's nothing, that's just a way of life. You're either heroic or blow it, bro, just roll the dice. Our only vice is no advice on any goal in life. Like how you're supposed to know your worth when you're never gonna be able to pay that price. Right. Hold on tight and never let go. When you make it to the top, just yell it loud enough to echo. For those of us at the bottom, that energy set the tempo. That's in limbo. I mean it, we need it from where no one ever believes it. Till they see it, I've seen it. They just need a leader to lead them. I'm here for a reason, not just for a season. There's no competing. We beat the odds and got even. Now let me hear you sing it. As real as it get, strip it all away. One thing we'll never do is quit, we're going all the way. Even if it all falls apart, stand tall, don't break. Tomorrow's never promised, give it all today. Yeah, there's no words to describe this feeling inside, pride and ego aside. I'm along for the ride, living to feel alive. Just know that I'm by your side. When you look to the sky, we'll be. When you look to the sky, you'll see